Welcome to this video on accessible lists. Have you ever wondered what makes a list accessible in a PDF? Let's understand. An accessible list is a properly tagged list in a PDF that helps screen readers recognize it as a list. Announce the number of items. Separate bullets or numbers from the content. And read the items in the correct sequence. Without proper tagging, lists may sound like random text to users relying on assistive technologies. Structure of an accessible list. An accessible list is built using specific tags in a defined structure. L. List tag, for the entire list. LI. List item tag, for each item. LBL. Label tag, for bullets or numbers. LBody. List body tag, for the content of the item. This tagging ensures clarity, structure, and a smooth reading experience for screen reader users. Types of accessible lists. Unordered list uses bullets to present items with no specific order. Ordered list uses numbers or letters to show a sequence or priority. Both types must follow the correct tag structure to be truly accessible. Accessible lists play a key role in making your PDFs inclusive and easy to navigate for everyone. Thank you.